You just love when you have guests over and they tell you that your house is humid and it smells bad. Oh, that's right, me neither. That's why I actually grabbed one of these here. You can put a scented oil inside of the humidifier, and then as the water is shooting out from the top here, not only is it regulating the humidity inside of your house, it's also making it smell good. And the best part is you can control it here from your phone or from the buttons, but you can see if I turn it off, it'll go there. So yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It came in handy. It makes the house smell amazing. I've gotten a ton of compliments from people coming over. If you want to grab it, this is the cheapest link I found. It's under $19 and it's not going to last long at that price.